You can't do a thing like this to me. Get him going.
No.
Davis, I'll fire you. I'll... An African fairy tale, eh? Now we've got to get her.
Okay, Mr. Blinn, you're the boss, but you're going to be awful disappointed if your bird girl turns out to be a girl bird.
Mazzini with a voice like that. Here. Just may I have a word with you, madam?
What do you mean, madam? Ogahonga, nice Ogahongas.
What's the matter? What does she see?
Your nose.
Oh. Make her friendly. Show her your watch.
Show her your own watch. Tick, tick.
The watch says tick, tick. Yeah. Find out if she has any relatives.
Mo, jig, bluggle, whoop.
Whoop, whoop. Oh, isn't that lovely? What did she say?
She says she's been hanging around with these birds so long that she sings like them. She can even talk their lingo.
Isn't that remarkable? Isn't that remarkable? Oh, that's why she's so taboo with all the natives. Ah! I have an idea. Here, grab her. Don't let her go. Don't let her go.
More jig, bluggle, whoop. No? Say, listen, boss, you ain't thinking of...
I certainly am, Corny. Anybody can take home a leopard, but a bird girl like that? Oh. Tick, tick. No. Give it to me. No more tick, tick. No. Oh, $835 worth of watch.
Cute little thing, ain't she?
Isn't she? Yeah. Ask the little sprite if she'll go back with us.
Zo zijn we big?
Nook.
She says noog.
Noog?
Nook.
Oh, well, I don't intend to take noog for an answer.
Looks like that watch wasn't enough.
Oh. Well, you bribe her. You offer her something.
Bong Jow, Costepes?
Uh-huh. What does she want?
Your hat.
Oh, no, I'd rather not. No, sunstroke, you know. You...
Bunga Jow, Costepes?
Now.
The glass.
Oh, well, now tell her to be careful. Now, those are very, very expensive glasses. Oh, no. Now, a gold digger, that's what she is, a gold digger. Now, come down, little girl. Come down here. Come now. What now? What she want?
She wants your pants.
Noog. 1,000 times noog. There are some limits, even in a jungle.
What do you want me to do, boss? Shoot her?
Yes. Oh, my... No. Get a cage. Get that measly bustard out of its cage and bring it here quickly.
The bustard?
Yes. Now, come down. Come down. Come. Pretty Polly? Polly Monte Cracker? Come down here. Down here. Come down. Down here. Oh, if I only had some salt. Corny, bring some salt.